Hi guys, I'm Meha from Team Makcorps. In this tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how can you track hotel prices for any city using Makcorps API. So first of all, go to makcorps.com, click on Start Free Trial, and as you will sign up, you will get an email with your API key. Keep that handy. Create this workflow. We're gonna use two APIs. Go to the documentation on Makcorps website. So first API we are going to use is this mapping API. We will use this to get our city ID. So for getting our city ID, we are gonna run this API in Postman. Go to Postman, sign up, and paste this endpoint here. Edit the details and send. And then you will get a response. And here you can see that document ID. This is your city ID. This is how you can get the city ID of any city you want. And now we will get started with our workflow. Go to make.com, create your account, and now you will get the empty workflow, and here will be the plus sign. Click on that plus sign and search for HTTP module. Now add your API key here, and in the document you will get this API endpoint. We are going to use city ID right now. So this is the city ID, and so we are going to copy and paste this here, and add all the parameters and their value and click on save. In the output, you can see that we got the data, the hotel prices, vendors, and hotel name, but this data is in different collection. So we want this data in bundles so that we can manipulate and organize it as we want. So we are going to use this module iterator. Just tap here and select that data from here, which we got from here. Now we are going to use this module tools to set variables. We got the data and the prices are with a dollar sign. In order to filter, we need to remove that dollar sign. So I added this code here. Then I'm going to use this module array aggregator. Now what this module will do is this module will filter out the information and it will organize this in this way. So add this code here and select the data from here. And now we are going to use a filter because we want the prices only below $250. So between these both, we are going to add a filter. So as you can see that in this filter, we got the response a few whatever prices are below 250 that are in green color, and it excluded the prices which are more than $250. And this is how you can set up this filter. Now we want this data in an organized way, so we are going to use a module table aggregator. In this again I added a code so that it will organize this data in a certain table format. And at last we want this information on our email, so I'm going to use this module Gmail send an email module, and I will connect my Gmail account to this and add the subject line, and in the content in the body I will add the content, and here you can see we can add the text which is organized already. We can drag and drop it here, and now click on save. Now as you will click on run once, this module will run, and we are going to get our list of hotel prices which is below $250 in our mail. You can see that here. In this video description I have already added. In this video description you will find the blueprint, and you can simply go on make.com, import that blueprint, make a few changes, and you are ready to track hotel prices.